Hello student, myself Digant Sakhiwala, I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 6, life processes. Dear student, we are going to learn about the human heart. Human heart is closed fist type of structure, as well as it is on the left side of the body. It contains 4 chambers. One is called atria, another lower part is called the ventricle. They are separated by the septa. Okay. Function of the function of the heart is to pump the blood. Okay, so we will learn all the function one by one, as well as it has two valve are there. One is tricuspid valve, another is a bicuspid valve. Human heart is a muscular organ which is as big as our fist, located between the two lungs slightly at the left. So it is present at the left side, as well as it has a closed fist type of structure. Both oxygen and carbon dioxide have to be transported by the blood. The heart has different chambers to prevent the oxygen-rich blood from the mixing with the blood containing carbon dioxide. Okay, so you can see here both oxygen and carbon dioxide have to be transported by the blood. The heart has different chambers. So heart has 4 chambers are there. Only reason are there that the two blood are not mixed. In the heart, two type of blood is enter. One is deoxygenated blood, another is what? Oxygenated blood. Okay. The upper 2 chambers are called the arteria, and one is left atrium and second is the right atrium. Okay, upper 2 chamber is called the arteria, one is the left atrium and second is the right atrium. Dear student, deoxygenated blood means what? The blood contain carbon dioxide. Okay. The two lower chambers are known as ventricles. So one is left ventricle and other is the right ventricle. Two lower chambers are known as the ventricle. Right side is present, that is called the right ventricle. Left side is present, that is called the left ventricle. The walls of the artery are thin while the walls of the ventricles are thick. You can see here arteria wall is thin while the walls of the ventricles are thick. All the 4 chambers are separate from each other by the partition called septa. So septa is present, because of that reason the 4 chambers are separated. For the flow of blood from the left atrium to the left ventricle, there is a bicuspid valve. Okay, so bicuspid valve is present between the left atrium to the left ventricle to stop the backward flow of the blood. Okay, so blood should not flow from the ventricle to atrium. Tricuspid valve between the right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, tricuspid valve is present between the right atrium and right ventricle, so it avoids also the backward flow of the blood. This valve prevents the backward flow of the blood from the ventricles to the arteria. Entry of oxygen in the blood through the lungs. Okay, so from the lung oxygenated blood is enter, and from the different part of the body deoxygenated blood is enter in the heart. Deoxygenated blood from the various organ of the body is received by the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. So by the superior and inferior vena cava, whatever blood is the deoxygenated blood, the blood which contain carbon dioxide, they enter into the heart in the right atrium to the right ventricle. At the same time, left atrium receives the oxygenated blood from the lung through the pulmonary vein. So by the pulmonary vein, left atrium receive the oxygenated blood from the lungs. Okay. Now both arteria contract and deoxygenated blood from the right atrium is poured into the right ventricle, and oxygenated blood from left atrium is poured into the left ventricle. So by that way, what happened now? Both arteria is contract, and because of that reason oxygenated blood that is present in the left atrium, it goes to the left ventricle, and whatever the deoxygenated blood or the carbon dioxide containing blood that is going from the right atrium to the right ventricle. Okay, now dear student, what happened? The contraction of the ventricles occur. Okay, so when the right ventricle contract, at that time the deoxygenated blood is going in the lungs, and when the left ventricle contract, then what happened? The blood is going in the different part of the organ, because left ventricle contain the oxygenated blood, whereas the right ventricle contains the deoxygenated blood. So deoxygenated blood is going in the lungs. Now both the ventricle contract. Due to the contraction of right ventricle, the blood enter into lungs through the arteries. Okay, so remember this one is what? Arteries. By that way the blood enter into the lungs. In lungs, carbon dioxide is released from the blood and oxygen diffuse into it. So what is the function of lungs here? Lungs convert the deoxygenated blood into the oxygenated blood. Okay, while due to the contraction of the left ventricle, oxygenated blood is distributed to the all part of the body through the aorta. So by the aorta, from the left ventricle, whatever oxygenated blood is there, that blood is going to the different part of the organ. Okay, so dear student, here two type of circulation occur. First circulation, in that what happened, the deoxygenated blood is became oxygenated blood, and this oxygenated blood is again enter into the left atrium to ventricle and going to the different part of the body. So the blood two time enter into the heart, so it is called the double circulation. This is useful in the animal which have high energy needed. So when we need so much high energy, at that time we need oxygen also in more amount. So for that, those animal are the like bird, vertebrate, they need more energy. In that 4-chamber heart is very useful. Such as bird, mammals which constantly use energy to maintain their body temperature. Amphibian or some reptile have the 3-chamber heart and tolerate the some mixing of oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood stream. So some reptiles are there in that 3 chambers are there, and in that oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood are mixed and they have a capacity to tolerate it. Fishes on the other hand have only 2 chambers to their hearts, and the blood is pumped to the gills, is oxygenated there and passes directly to the rest of the body. Okay, so here single circulation occur, only 2 chambers are there in the fishes. Okay, and the whatever oxygenated blood is there from the gills, whatever oxygen is entered, that is going directly to the part all the part of the body. Blood goes only once through the heart in the fish during the one cycle of the passage through the body. So in the fish, the blood is going only one time, so it is a single circulation. Okay, blood goes through twice during the each cycle. In other vertebrates, this is known as a double circulation. So in the vertebrate like human and other mammals are there, in that what happen, the blood is entering 2 times. First is what, the deoxygenated blood is become oxygenated. Okay, that is first time, and oxygenated blood is again enter into the blood to go to the different part of the body. So this is all about the human heart. Thank you so much.